In part 4 of Testing Systems, we're going to look at working with schedules. As we've got a mechanical view open here, just make sure that you are in the plan that you want to work with. So we're in mechanical 01 plan. What we want to do is to go into visibility graphics and go down to spaces to make sure spaces is turned on. And then we're going to look at this area here. What we need to do is make a note of these room numbers. So if we move our cursor around, we can see that we're in classroom 2009. Make a note of that number. And then because of this system is connected, we also need to look at the room number of the room next door again, which is 2007. Now that we know those two numbers, 2007, 2009, we scroll down in the project browser till we get to schedules. And then what we want to do is open up this space airflow check. Now, what we need to do is we make column A is our room numbers, space number, diffuser number, and column C is our diffuser airflow rate, and column F is our airflow check. So what we need to do is we need to scroll down till we get to 2007, which is here, and 9, which is here. Now at this point it's a good idea to tile your views so as you can see both of these at the same time. Well, what we're going to look at in this instance here, such as room 2007, this supply diffuser here. We're going to change one of these and type in 20. Besides indicating as you are working on it, diffuser 361, you can see that it's highlighted here in blue. Also, what's also changed when we changed this from 70 liters a second, from 70 down to 20, you can see that this last column is now for the room in a negative number and it's highlighted in blue. If we scroll up again, that was our airflow check. So what it's telling us is at 20 liters a second in that supply diffuser, we haven't got enough air in that room. So if we change that back to 70 again, you can see that now we've got a positive supply in that particular room. If we look at rooms 208, we can see that there's no supply diffusers, and also if you can see in our window here, you can see that there's no systems in these two rooms. So for us to correct our schedule, we need to put our systems in. So if we open up our reflective ceiling plan, we can see the ceiling grid that we need to put our supply diffusers in. And again, we can copy these. And as you can see, it's starting to add in the diffusers in that particular room that we've got. And at each stage that we copy one in, we get a new diffuser added in, but we also get we've now got a positive figure because we've entered 4 in. If we look at it when we've only got 3 in for 2000 and room 2008, you can see that we still haven't got enough, hence why we need to add in 4 diffusers to make this room not be a negative figure. This room next door here, room 2010, if we look again there, you can see that no supply grills are being added into that particular one. So this is where you would just keep on adding in supply grills into the relevant rooms until we've got a positive pressure, and this end column should show white and not the assigned colour that it is, and you shouldn't have a negative figure. So this is where you would just repeat the work of placing your supply grills in, and then you can create your system just like these 2 rooms are to make that work. So with this room being smaller, you may get away with 3 supply grills as opposed to 4 for the larger rooms.